This is a skeleton of an upright piano action. I have removed the hammers, weapons, and the dampers from this piano action. And you can see what the action looks like without any of the moving parts. The reason I removed everything from this action is because I am replacing all the flanges. The original flanges, all of them were made out of plastic, and they were cracked and some of them broken, and that's due to the catalyst in the plastic. And I am replacing all of them with wooden ones. So this, for example, this one here, this is a flange, a damper flange for dampers. And how we know that? It's because of this spring. The hammer butt flanges and the weapon flanges, they don't have spring like this one. So I am replacing there approximately there are a little over 250 flanges in a piano action, and I'm replacing all of them.